Now, if we look at the Fourier series, what happens when we let the frequency approach infinity?
We get another year of you trying to make math look sexy. Careful, Sophie. He might break out Euler's formula sonnet.
e to the I plus 1 equals 0. A love story for the ages.
Haha. Very funny, but seriously, what we get is a more precise approximation of the original function. Now, what happens when two curves osculate at a point?
Osculate? Are you sure you don't want to buy me dinner first? Did he just use osculate in a sentence? Bold move, Dr. Hemming.
It's a mathematical term. It describes when two curves share the same tangent and a curvature at a point.
Yes. The romantic meeting of slopes.
Uh-huh. So what you're saying is they're kissing?
If you insist on putting it that way. But yes, mathematically speaking, their kiss aligns their tangents and radii of curvature. It's quite elegant, really.
Nothing like the curvatures getting cozy to spice up a New Year's Eve lecture.
Mathematics has inspired many poets and philosophers. There's beauty in it, Sophie.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Let's align our tangents and maybe our curvatures too.
Not bad, but it needs more sine and cosine references to really hit.
Focus, everyone. Back to the problem. If we consider the Fourier transform of this curvature, the osculation point becomes significant because
that's where the curves whisper sweet nothings to each other. It's where the local maxima of similarity and frequency space occurs. The tangents and curvatures aligning enhances the signal's integrity.
Lila, don't ruin the romance. We were just getting to the good part.
Thank you, Lila. Exactly. The osculation point is critical because it's where the signal is most robust. The Fourier transform highlights frequencies that...
Oh, right. The robust signal. Definitely not a euphemism. You're impossible.
Sophie, you're going to drive me to find a new job.
Oh, come on, Dr. Hemming. Deep down you love it. Admit it, teaching us is the highlight of your social calendar.
Only if my New Year's date cancels.
Wait, you actually have plans with a human? And does she know about your tangent obsession?
Believe it or not, even mathematicians can have fulfilling social lives.
Wow, a New Year's miracle. Next you'll tell us Euler has a secret Tinder profile.
Well, have fun tangling your tangents. Happy New Year, Dr. Hemming.
Happy New Year, everyone. And try not to scare off too many people with your sense of humor.
No promises.
And I'll make sure to keep my curves strictly professional.
Welcome to Nerd Word, an electron-induced vocabulary edutainment podcast for building your speech, confidence, and brainceps.
Osculate. To swing backward and forward like a pendulum. To move or travel back and forth between 2 points.
You're so weird.
And today's nerd word is...
Osculate.
I had to do that. It's the last one of the year. You got to use all of the is that you got.
Just trying to time it out so that if somebody's listening to it right at 12...
It's like a countdown.
11:58. Okay. Yes, osculate is our word today.
Does it mean to go around in circles?
No.
Is that oscillate?
Yes. Which Google did think that's what I meant.
It also it thought that I meant obfuscate.
Oh.
Coming
Google's
up.
really just trying to help us help ourselves.
I don't think people use osculate.
I don't think they do either.
It's obscure.
Do we know why? Do you know why?
I think you know why. I don't know why. You tell me why.
Well, because
Happy New Year!
It is a mathematics term, largely. So, osculate, although the definition, in my favorite, Merriam-Webster, thank you again, is to kiss.
Yes, that's why it's on this week's list of words.
That's right. So, the definition, the official definition is to kiss.
Okay, how does a kissing word get confused with a math word? Or
well, let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Should
First,
we pause the recording?
This comes... as that's a different episode with euphemisms.
Got it.
Do it.
Got it.
No, I was thinking the count von count. That's very good. Okay, back at hand. Please cut all of that. Osculate is a transitive verb, and it comes from the Latin osculum, which means kiss, or little mouth.
I think most people are stuck on what a transitive verb is.
I know. We went back. We did this a couple of weeks ago.
I know. We should have.
The transitive verbs are where they directly relate to an object. Intransitive are the ones where it's indirect.
Okay. Back to.
Yeah. Don't worry. I had to look it up again. So the Latin
verbs.
osculum, which is kiss or little mouth. Thank you. You're going to be so hard to keep on track today, aren't you?
Absolutely.
Yes. I just think that's so funny. How can you have kiss or little mouth? Like those do not feel like synonyms.
Do the Latin-esques, the Latinishes, Laticias, do they use little like the French do? Or everything it's cute suddenly whenever it's little. Like
I don't know.
Cochon, you know?
That's so cute. Which one's that? Cabbage?
I think that one's pig. Little pig, which good luck.
So I looked up another verb, and it does appear that the common theme here is that os is mouth. Latin for mouth.
Os.
I think it's os, but okay.
Os. Got it.
Do you think it's that because your mouth makes an O? Oh.
Os. Did your mouth make an O when you were Latinish or Latinosh?
That's partially newsroom and partially you just being weird.
Yeah.
Anyway, another little fun fact that I found about osculate specifically, and then we'll go into what it actually means because it doesn't really mean to kiss.
Or just kissing little mouths.
Absolutely. You can only kiss little mouths.
What if you kissed a big mouth?
Bass. Big mouth bass.
Big mouth.
So
this is about learning, guys.
Merriam-Webster gave me a little factoid that I thought was really fun, that in 1656, this word, osculate, was included in a dictionary of hard words. And I want my hands on a dictionary from 1656 that are hard words.
You know what else happened in 1656?
I don't know.
Me neither.
Okay. Like probably some stuff. But
did they call it a dictionary of hard words? Not difficult words? They used hard?
I guess. Maybe they're trying to really dumb it down for us. These are hard words, man.
They didn't call it first edition nerd word?
They probably did. They didn't know what nerds were, though.
Oh, yeah. Got it.
So the other evidence of this usage, which was not prevalent until the 1800s, the only other evidence was in science.
We're talking about a word that's never going to be used, never was used. It's basically just not even a word. It doesn't exist for the most part.
Yeah, I couldn't find... But we're going to change that. Nerd word is going to change that. I could not find the usage statistics, which I know we've reported on words before.
1 in every 17 trillion words.
Yeah, so it must be such little use it doesn't even warrant
I like it.
the...
We just brought it up a lot.
The metric. Yeah, we're
so much.
Singularly putting this word back on the map.
It's the greatest word now.
As a theme, everyone's going to use it in this season of...
It's going to be 2025's word of the year.
I love it. So... more often than not, what it is used in is geometry.
I love geometry.
You
Triangles are amazing.
do love geometry.
Circles, squares.
But trying to put them all together, we fail.
Octagons.
So in geometry, this is the action of a pair of curves or surfaces
Kissing.
that touch so that they have a common tangent at the point of contact. This is its main use. And it's most prevalent, obviously, for the word itself. In fact, so much so that Merriam-Webster said that if you're using osculate to mean kiss, you're probably doing it in a funny way.
Oh, yeah. Well, we are funny.
We're very funny. But I think we should bring it back. It's both humorous and formal.
So would you say those shapes are osculating, or are they coming in near contact, coming in contact, kissing? Or those parabolas are osculating? Those are osculating parabolas?
Yeah, actually, I do think that that's how they used it. It was osculating. And I don't remember. Geometry is not my favorite.
So if you had parabolas that osculate instead of parabolas that intersect, maybe you're defining how they...
Things are getting weird.
Okay, moving on.
I also really liked that the synonym that Merriam-Webster, they're just doing me right. They really know what I like. The synonym was to lip.
Ooh.
So first of all, they told me that I shouldn't use this to kiss, but then the synonym that they gave me, I'm hopeful, is all about kissing.
I really want that to be the term that people use this Valentine's Day. Not osculate, but
I'm gonna give you
lipping.
some lip.
I'm gonna give you some lip.
Although, isn't that also what like old people say is being sassy? Like, don't
give me the lip.
Yeah, but now that we're bringing it back to the positive.
It's gonna be good.
Hey, girl, I'm gonna give you some lip. Can I get your screen name?
It's retro. What the near words in the dictionary were oscular, which is concerned with kissing or
muscles,
related
though?
to kissing.
Muscular, oscular.
No.
Oh, whatever.
Don't make it something it's not. And then osculum. This is the one. This is the word, guys.
Osculum.
So, in addition to making osculate,
I don't think you should have said
word,
osculum. I feel like it's going to be 2026's most used baby name for boys.
Osculum.
Yeah.
I'm short. We're going to call him Ozzy.
Stupid hipsters.
So osculum is an excurrent opening of a sponge.
And
those little tiny holes on a sponge is called an osculum.
What's an escurum?
So think about that the next time you're washing dishes, people. What?
Say the definition again.
Excurrent.
What's an excurrent?
That up.
How do you spell
That's
it?
a different episode. EXCURRENT. I'm assuming external. You guys can't see me, but I'm making the action of a sponge being squished. Oh, that's good.
Refers to something that flows outward or extends outward, often used in biological.
What's happening? Biological sciences?
Biological, botanical, or physical context.
Man alive.
You know, everybody should practice reading aloud. Because
it's good skills.
in your head, you just look at the word, and you could sub-vocalize it wrong, but nobody's there to laugh at you.
That's true.
You say it wrong out loud, even if you know how to say it right, you turn bright red.
It's pretty fun.
What else you got for...
I can't do better than an excurrent opening of a sponge.
Yeah.
That's gross. That's better.
Yeah, let's kiss.
So everyone, osculate your loves and your family.
Whenever 2024 and 2025 osculate, then you should be osculating.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes, that was very good. I hope they can hear the dogs snoring in the background.
They can't.
That's sad.